Dick Rochfort here, aboard the M600 38 Bravo Echo. We're climbing now.
Came into 856 Chicago Center.
Plate level 220, climbing 270. And we have a little bit of weather in front of us, nothing to worry the experienced pilot, but just want to go over it with you. We have tailwind today, that's a good thing. But we also have some rain showers kind of paralleling us over on the south side, and that's evident here on the NEXRAD display, which I've split on the number 2 PFD in front of me. What we can do is corroborate what we see out the window with what we know about the route from the NEXRAD, which is a strategic tool only. So we're not using NEXRAD to weave in between these tightly packed rain showers. We're traveling north of them intentionally. And we're using the Mark 1 eyeballs today because we can. So if we look out the window, we can see that all of that weather is below us on the south side. So we can corroborate that is also true of similar color weather ahead of us and to the southeast.
W2135 Chicago Center.
The good news is we don't really need to worry about it because it's not coming in front of us anyway, and we're a bit faster than the rain showers, so we'll be past them in a short period of time. So we're 230 knots over the ground in the climb, not too shabby, but the tailwind of 60 knots is going to taper off as we approach Great Lakes, and then pick up again, just in time for us to descend out of them. That's how we can corroborate whether we would have radar on, except we really don't need it. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.